Ndewo maka. This is Oni and you're welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. In this video, we'll be learning means of transportation in Igbo language. Ụmụaka, unu adị nkwadobe? Ngwa ka anyị bido. Let's begin. Ụgbọelu. Ụgbọelu. Aircraft. It could be plane, it could be jet. Ụgbọelu. Ụgbọelu. Ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. Car. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. Boat. Ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. Train. Ụgbọ ibu. Ụgbọ ibu. Truck. Ọgbatumtum. Ọgbatumtum. Motorcycle. Ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. Horse. Ịnyịnya igwe. Ịnyịnya igwe. Bike. That's it for means of transportation in Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to join the community. Turn on your post notification bell and share this video to your family and friends so they can learn Igbo with us. Kemesia.